Hello everyone, I am Vidika Singh and you are watching the YouTube channel of campuswala.com. In this video, we'll talk about IIM Shillong. Indian Institute of Management Shillong is a public, fully autonomous management institute in the city of Shillong, Meghalaya. It was the seventh Indian Institute of Management to be established in India. Its vision, embarking a global impact as it says, to become an internationally recognized management institute with a global outlook grounded in Indian values. Talking about location, IIM Shillong, located in the state of Meghalaya, called the Scotland of East, established in the year 2007 with a vision of expansion and mobilization of facilities for offering quality management education and research in Northeast India. IIM Shillong differentiates itself by promoting sustainability, also hosting an international conference on sustainability annually. IIM Shillong has been set up with a vision of providing good quality management education and research in the northeastern region of India. If we'll talk about ranking, IIM Shillong is ranked 24th among all the management institutes of India according to the NIRF ranking. If we'll talk about accreditation, MMSME Award for the Excellence in Commerce and Business Management by Wipro, Arthian Award 2017. Talking about infrastructure, the institute is currently functioning from a temporary campus in the Mayurbhanj complex. The palace was renovated by the Meghalaya government. Work has become commenced on the 120-acre site for the permanent campus. The campus includes a main building wherein the administrative office, faculty offices, classrooms, library, and conference halls are housed. Apart from the main building, the institute also has an auditorium, guest house, number of small syndicate rooms, and student dormitories with the campus. Faculty residences are situated just adjacent to the campus. Talking about hostels, there are both single and double occupancy rooms available for the students. Besides the basic amenities of a cot, mattress, room heater, wardrobe, study table, and a chair in every room, the dormitories are connected with a state-of-the-art wireless mesh network. There is also a common reading room, common recreation room equipped with table tennis, carom, and television facilities. Within the confines of the dormitories are a gymnasium, basketball and badminton court present inside the campus. Moving on to next, that is admission. Admission to such colleges is obviously a bit tough. Here's the procedure to proceed. To apply for admission to the postgraduate program in the management PGP, a candidate must qualify the Common Admission Test CAT conducted by the Indian Institute of Management. The candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA, 45% in case of the candidates belonging to SC caste, ST and differently able. Overseas candidates including NRIs who seek admission to IIM Shillong postgraduate program in management can apply in the prescribed application form furnishing their latest GMAT scores. The scores should not be older than 24 months as on the last date of application. Talking about cutoff, shortlisting criteria applied by IIM Shillong comprises minimum requirement of 75 sectional percentile in CAT 2017. There is no prescribed minimum overall CAT 2017 percentile required by IIM Shillong in shortlisting criteria. If you have scored 80% marks in class 10th and 12th, the required weightage for academic profile will be awarded to you. The actual CAT 2017 score cutoff may go higher or lower slightly, and please note no weightage for gender diversity has been announced by IIM Shillong. A table is displayed on the screen for DILR percentile, VARC percentile, QA percentile, 10th and 12th percentile according to all the categories. Talking about courses, postgraduate program in management and fellow program in management. It also offers postgraduate program for executives as well. PGPEX Managing Business in India and China. Talking about course fee, for the 2018-20 batch, the total program fee was around 13 lakh rupees. Additionally, the application fee for IIM Shillong was rupees 1000, which was to be paid at the time of filling the application form. IIM Shillong fees has witnessed a nominal hike over the past 3 years for postgraduate program in management. For the upcoming batch, the fee for IIM Shillong 2019-21 is expected to remain along the same lines. Talking about placements, IIM Shillong has concluded final placement 2019, achieving yet again 100% placement to its largest ever 2017-19 batch comprising 177 students. Average placement package in 2019 has shot up at rupees 16.79 lakh rupees from rupees 15.5 lakh rupees last year, and the highest salary offered in placement 2019 has gone up at rupees 28 lakh rupees from rupees 26 lakh last year. 62 recruiters made placement offers in 2019. More than 31% recruitment in BFSI sector. Talking about alumni, the largest stakeholder and the most powerful resource of any institute are its alumni. Saurabh Sharma, Product Manager, Global Logic. Ronak Sen, Marketing Manager, Burger Paints, India. And that's all about the alumni committee and about this college. Do stay with us for more such content and press the bell icon for regular updates. So this was all for today's video, guys. Also, for more details, do visit our website campuswala.com. Thank you for watching the video.